逃出外星拐帶，證人過港。自稱曾經長年被外星人拐帶嘅 James Sparks 上週訪港，親自講述嗰段同外星人交往嘅不可思議經歷。
成個故事去翻1988年啦，咁就阿 Jim 咧就喺夢裏面咧就俾嗰啲外星人喺床嗰度咧就帶咗出去啦。
So you can get an understanding of why there's a separation from us and them.
佢比我哋自己一啲夫人啊，比我哋自己更清楚我哋啦。
Not only are they telepathic, but they have the technology to be invisible.
Essence is here, and 80% may be somewhere else, or whatever number they choose. For example, 50-50, 90-10, etc.
I didn't say anything to anybody. I didn't say anything to my wife. I was married at the time.
哇！佢真係見過外星人，你信唔信啊？
自己就未有任何呢一類嘅經驗嘅，但係我都會相信嘅。
都信，因為咧你特登裝個咁大鼓真係好難嘅，講真，你真係演繹得好勁，你真係要去到任達華嗰個 level 先做到。
咁呢啲就真係信則有，不信則無，因為佢真係講緊佢嘅經歷。我都想聽多啲關於朱西人嘅嘢，咁但係內行時間就唔夠啦。
有興趣知道，即係喺佢嘅 point of view，啲人天靈又究竟做咗啲乜嘢啊？佢做啲乜嘢令到我哋有今日啊？